Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to sign up on MyChart. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser and search for mychart.com. Then you will get here this option. Just click on it. And now once you click on it, here you have these two options. You can do the same process by using the mobile application. You can download it from App Store or Google Play, whether you are using Android or iOS. Now I will simply click on Access My Chart. Then now you'll have to give here the name of the provider or the medical provider. So I will type anything just in order to demonstrate how the process takes place in this video. So I will go for any one of them. I will go for this one, for example. And now you will have to enter your first name, middle name, last name, the address in the United States of America or wherever you are. So you'll have to provide the street address, appointment number, city, state, the IP code, country, and so on. Once you go down more, you will find here the date of birth, the legal sex, the mobile number or the mobile phone, email address, then verified, home phone, then check this box and tell them that you are not a robot. Then click on next and you will go through the whole process. It's very simple and easy. It's like signing up in any other platform. You just need to follow the prompts and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.